Am I the only one who is overwhelmed with all the information given on YouTube about starting a YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel, starting over a YouTube channel? Should I start over my YouTube channel? Should I just continue posting?
It's so much videos, so many videos, so many videos, so many videos. It's crazy, but
I just decided to take up my camera, take up my microphone, and just make a video. I just decided to make a video because there was so many information on here and it was driving me crazy. I was up at night. I was up until 1-2 o'clock just looking at different videos, looking at different content creators, trying to figure out what should my niche be.
Who the hell are you? Just a friend, but you can call me the Riddler.
What shouldn't I do? What should I do? Just doing my research, doing too much research. Yes, there's such a thing as doing too much research, and that is what I was doing. I was overthinking starting over my YouTube channel and just making videos on a whole. I love YouTube. I love editing. I love making videos. I'm comfortable around the camera. I'm comfortable talking to the camera. Don't let YouTube overwhelm you with too much information. Don't overwhelm yourself with too much information. Just pick up the camera, pick up the mic. You don't even need a mic. I had this mic since I started YouTube. So this mic is actually 4 years old and I'm using my phone, back camera, and yeah, that's it. Standing by the window because we have no tripod. Yes, we are tacky, but we are here and we are doing it. If I procrastinate this anymore, I promise you I will never make a video. I will never pick up the phone. I will never make a video. So this is just me winging it. Cartel say the key thing is
Cartel have about 2,000 hit song, because I release about 4,000 song. You see what I say?
I see it.
It's like Michael Jordan win 6 championship or so because him lose 10. You know them way there?
Ball shooter.
Yes, so you have to know it's a strategy.
Yeah.
So you put out as much with your art and then the people them will do the rest.
2025 is it. I'm in that mode. I'm getting that bag this year. I'm getting monetized. Mr. Algorithm, don't let us fight. We putting in that work, okay? We putting in that work. Video for 2025. It's my first video in 4 years, guys. It has been 4 years since I've posted on this channel.